Hi, this is Chelsea from Ref and Write. If you are writing an academic paper or thesis, you must cite all the sources that you have referred to in your work. This is very important. There are many different types of referencing styles. In this video, we will discuss 6 popular referencing styles that are widely used in research publications. First, we will look at the Harvard and APA referencing styles. The Harvard referencing style is widely used in UK universities, and the APA referencing style is used in the fields of psychology, health, and social sciences. Both referencing styles use an author-date system. The sources are cited by providing the author's surname and the year of publication in brackets. Next up is the IEEE referencing style. The IEEE referencing style is predominantly used in the fields of computer sciences, engineering, and technology. IEEE style uses a numeric citation system where sources are cited as numbers in square brackets. Next up is the Chicago referencing style. The Chicago referencing style is commonly used in the field of humanities. The Chicago referencing style uses a footnote system. The sources are cited with a superscript number, and the reference details are given in the footnote at the bottom of the page. Next up is the MLA referencing style. The MLA style is predominantly used in the field of humanities. The MLA referencing style uses an author page number system. The sources are cited by providing the surname of the author and the page number in brackets. Finally, we will look at the Vancouver referencing style. The Vancouver referencing style is predominantly used in medical and scientific disciplines. The Vancouver style uses a numeric citation system where sources are cited as numbers within brackets or as superscripts. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the common referencing styles used across various disciplines. In our upcoming videos, we'll take a closer look at each of these styles in detail. If you have any questions, please drop a message below. We will answer it as soon as possible. If you still haven't installed Ref and Write software, please do it. It comes with referencing tools, plagiarism checkers, proofreading tools, paraphrasing tools, an academic phrase bank, and many other useful features to help you write your research papers and thesis. You can sign up for free using the link below in the description. If you are interested in training courses on research and academic writing, please visit our Learning Academy on Udemy. You can find the link in the description below. Finally, please subscribe to our channel to get future updates. Bye for now.